Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this procedure safely. In this video, we will show one or more of these icons to alert you when to use caution. Before you replace the friction wheel in your snowblower, first make sure the engine has cooled. Next, remove the wire and boot from the spark plug to prevent the engine from accidentally starting. We recommend you perform this procedure with little or no fuel in the tank. Now carefully tip the snowblower forward so it rests on the auger housing. Use a 3/8-inch socket to remove the mounting bolts securing the frame cover. Pull the cover off. Use a 9/16-inch socket to remove the mounting bolts securing the left wheel. Slide the wheel off of the axle. Secure the hex shaft close to the gear and use the 9/16-inch socket to loosen the mounting nut. Unthread the nut to the end of the shaft to protect the threads. Then gently tap the shaft to release it from the frame. Now fully unthread the nut and remove the hex shaft from the frame. You can now remove the old friction wheel. Install the new friction wheel by positioning it on the speed selector arm. With the wheel in place, realign the hex shaft and slide it into position. Thread the mounting nut on and tighten. Apply some lubrication to the shaft. Make sure to clean any spill from the drive disc. Replace the wheel and secure it with the mounting bolt. Realign the frame cover and replace the mounting bolts. Return the snowblower to its upright position. Reattach the spark plug wire and boot. Refill the fuel tank, and your snowblower should be ready for use.